Quick review of the laundry detergent sheets by Active. These sheets are clean linen scent. They are super nice, a nice subtle scent. So not overbearing, not super perfumey or anything, but enough that your clothes are going to have a nice, fresh, clean scent to them. This is what they look like. This is all they are. And they have a perforated line down the middle. So you're just going to rip those in half and use just half of a sheet for a smaller load, or you're going to put both sides in for the larger loads. Super easy. They're great for traveling with. My husband travels for work a lot, and it's a lot easier than sending a bulky container of soap or Tide Pods or powder that might get flagged at TFSA, going through security and whatnot. So just throwing these in some Ziploc bags, super easy to travel with. We travel for sports and tournaments a lot, and sometimes you need to freshen up those jerseys. These are great to have on hand. They save space. They are eco-friendly. There's no mess to them, but they also do a really nice deep clean. Your clothes are going to be fresh, make your laundry easier, get yourself some.